episode of Whatever's Cool, the show where we talk about anything and everything that's cool in the world today. I am the assembler known as Nanoblock, and on this episode, I have a Nano Block Piccolo. Now, I got this from up the road at a little Japanese convenience store, and it was pretty cool to see some of this stuff. I also got another one, but just as a mystery one, which we'll do in a future episode. But what was interesting is compared to these two, this one was $8 because you obviously can't see which one you're going to get. While this one was 12 because obviously you can see what you get, and obviously me being a Piccolo fan, I had to get the Piccolo one first. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we got, and then we'll assemble it and see how cool it actually is. This isn't like a normal Lego. I mean, look how tiny that stuff is. Wow. Jeez Louise. Alright, so there's your instruction manual. Alright, so I'm looking at this. Wow, this looks really complicated. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed I can get this done. Because, yeah, this looks very hard. Very hard. Alright, so I finally did it. Yeah, that took half an hour to do, but that is really cool. It really tested my patience, but also it's just that it looks really awesome there. What I'm a bit surprised is there are a lot of extra pieces, but I think it's if you lose it, that's probably why they put it on there. So I'm going to put it in this little bag, just in case if I ever need to. But yeah, I like these little things. It's just very tough when you got, you know, very big fingers like myself, just to try and get this. But yeah, I can't wait to do the next one. I just accidentally broken his arm, so I'm just going to put that back on. But yeah, no, these were definitely very challenging for me. I'm not the biggest Lego builder or a block builder in this case, but yeah, I definitely would do these. Not just Dragon Ball Z. If there's got anything else, I'm going to go back to that place and see if there's anything else, other ones I can build. I remember there was Pokemon stuff there too. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And very challenging for me, and I like to be challenged with this sort of stuff. So I'm going to say that the Nano Block Dragon Ball Z Piccolo is cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and enable those notifications to stay up to date whenever we post anything. If you can't wait for our next video, make sure to check out our podcast. It is available wherever you get your podcasts. And until next time, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.